Baby, I'm trying to leave. Yeah.
So hot. Okay. Okay. This is a cash of 70,000 for your tea fare. I'll transfer 50k to you later.
Huh? Aaron, you're giving me 70,000 naira and you transfer 50k later. What did happen? Hey! Like, are you for real right now?
Come on now, for real. I mean, how you deceiving me?
No, because for the short time we've been dating, the highest amount you've given me is 40,000 naira. And I see my guy don't talk.
That is because then I do not have. But now, remember the project?
No, you can't get.
The project I told you I will be pursuing now. That when it clicks, I'm going to take you round the world. I mean, where you've never been before.
Where I don't go before. Where I don't go before. No. I bet you carry me travel, which I'll be saying around the world where you never. I never go anywhere.
Yeah, now I won't carry you. Come on.
Thank you for the money, Sha. Yeah. Oh, yeah, quite escort me.
Is it?
See me off. Come on, get up.
Come on now, baby. Come on. After the hard work I did this hot afternoon, you told me to see you off.
Which work?
I'm tired.
Which work you do?
The bedroom.
Because me self no do the work. You carry your body like that on top of me. You know, say supposing I know balance where gauge myself. You know, say my waist for don't break. You like this where your eye no dey ground. You nearly shift my womb, come out. They complain.
You not walk.
Say get out, see this one.
You not walk.
I say you give me 70k.
I'll see you later.
If I catch any
area, baby. Hey. Did you win jackpot today?
Yeah. I won more than a jackpot. I caught a fine girl today.
Is that why you're excited?
I don't understand. Why should I not be excited? Guy, if you see this babe, she's so clean, sweet. You know, she's balanced. Yes, now.
So why didn't you bring her to introduce to me?
No, you know I cannot do that now. I cannot make the same mistake that I made in the past. I can't do it.
What mistake are you talking about?
You know, see, if you vex me, I will just go back to worry finer.
It is better you go back to that warrior. Because you proposed to stay 1 month now. Why did you come back? No, go back.
I see why you are angry. Because I not bring the girl to come and show you,
Yes, now.
You will not see her.
Really? Please come. Please, I want to use your card today. There's one fine chick I just got. Very, very fine thing, I'm telling you. So I want her to see me on a higher level. Very big level.
Please something.
Is it?
Please something from me.
I don't understand. You don't really...
Oh. Aaron, thank you so much for the money. I appreciate it. Oh,
Sarah, how far now?
I am good. Oh,
Sarah, this one why you dey smile like this? Abi you don't hammer?
Because if I don't hammer, now sit down here with you. I promise you, if I've truly hammered, I will shout down this roof. I will not even be here now. What am I even talking about? I'll be somewhere like maybe Dubai, Paris, or something, you know.
So why you dey smile like this?
Well, it's just about Aaron. I mean, that my guy and I told you about. He's just been nutty, so I'm responding to him.
Sarah, use your head. No to die follow man when you don't know whether it is serious. So. Eh?
Well, trust me, I know what I'm doing. Believe you me, no one can play with me. I am not one to be played with. You should know that.
Okay, oh. Just be careful. It's not even up to 3 weeks that you met this guy. Be careful, please.
I am always, I promise you. Okay?
It's alright. Let me just go and freshen up. I'm so tired.
Well, that's okay. I'll just conclude the chat with him.
Alright.
Dude, you are truly crazy. You didn't mad doing this boy. Oh my god.
What now? Are you...
Ella, you?
Ife, hi. I didn't know you were the one, I'm sorry. Hey, it's like you went shopping for a special girl.
Hey, you know what? This is not your business. Alright?
Hey, Ife, not yet, please. Are you still angry at me?
Angry at you for what?
You don't pick my calls.
I only pick calls of important people. Business associate. Are you one of those?
Ife, please, I'm sorry. I just needed to give me a second chance. Okay, a last chance, one last chance. And I promise I won't mess it up. Please.
Ella, I have a girlfriend. Now, as you can see, she's the one I bought these things for. It's high time you move on. Right?
If not yet now, please. Okay. If please, I don't mind being your side chick. Listen, the truth is, ever since we parted ways, I've been so unlucky with guys. All the guys that come my way don't even take care of me. You are so exceptional. I mean, you are caring, loving.
Listen. I want you to keep these praises for somebody that deserves it. Right? I want to be on my way.
Ife, please.
What is it?
Why are you doing this?
What is it? You want to make a scene?
Come on. Okay. Ife, I don't mind being your side chick. Listen, I promise I won't cause you any issues. I won't cause any issues between you and your girl. It's a promise.
Okay, let me make a suggestion. Aaron will like this. Go to him with this offer. Excuse me.
You can't eat your cake and have it back. It's never done. You can betray my trust and gain it back. It's never done. I gave you my heart, but you threw it away. Now you're telling me that you want me back. I gave you everything that you want.
What are you talking about? Were you not the one that threw yourself at me?
What are you even talking about? So why didn't you rebuke me when I was throwing myself at you? Instead you fell for it like a loose man that you are.
I don't understand. Efe does not give you attention. And you told me in clear words that you need a man that will give you attention. A man that will say good and sweet things to you. And that is what I did. I found out I'm the right person for the job. And before then, remember what I told you? Do you actually know what you are going into when you said yes to that? What did you say? You don't care.
Oga, we are still saying the same thing. You'd have chased me away, you idiot.
You are very stupid calling me an idiot. Are you mad? You ruined your relationship with your man by yourself. Alright? It is your fault, not mine. Don't you ever. Don't try it.
Okay, I agree. Okay, I agree it was my fault. But please, can you do me this favor, please?
What favor?
I need you to help me convince Efe. Just talk to him, beg him, do whatever. Just let him forget what happened and forgive me, please. He's your close friend and I know he listens to you.
That one is not possible. Oh. It is not. Because if I'm seeing right now, just got a new girlfriend that is making him go gaga like a 2-year-old baby. Alright, so it's not possible.
I don't mind being his side chick. It's that bad. Please now, just understand this thing. Do it for me now, please. Okay. I'm counting on you.
Hey, what's up, bro?
I'm okay.
How you doing?
Hi, the apple.
Since you went for a swap.
Yes, so I brought them for you to check. Over. Guy, this is the second time you are breaking a cup in this house. It's no longer funny.
So sorry, I'll pack it, don't worry. What did you...
How look at this cup.
They're beautiful.
For that man, you get now.
Come on, man. This is just too much. I mean, why do you keep spending money for who you barely know? You don't even know anything about her. Please, reduce the spending.
Hey, Ron, am I complaining? The money is not from your pocket.
I know you're not complaining, but I'm just trying to give you an advice like a friend.
Give it. Are they nice? See, there is this one I want you to check.
Efe, I want to ask you a question. When are you giving me the 2 million I asked for? You know the business I'm venturing into now. The time is going. If it's a woman now, you have to squander everything, give the woman money, but for your main guy, no way.
You know, let's say I'm not yet convinced about this business of yours. Yeah. I don't like waste, right? I don't want to give you money now and the next thing you cannot account for it.
I really don't understand you. I'm the one venturing into the business and not you. I'm the one convinced here. Just give me the money, let me go and do this business and that's it.
And the way this thing is going now, you write proposal because you are not ready to give me time. Do you like these things? Thank you. You like them?
Are you serious? Like, you're not going to give me the money?
Yes, Ayo, where are you? I'm at Odili's shopping mall. Okay, I'm waiting. Oh, yes, I can see you. Yes. Can you see me? All right. Hi.
Hi.
Are you alright?
Yeah.
So good to see you.
Same here.
Take this for her.
Okay.
This for her.
Okay.
Be careful. And this is for you.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
So I will sort out my lunch for today. Thank you so much.
Have a nice day, okay?
Alright, same to you.
Good.
Okay.
Aaron, what are you doing here?
I had to follow you up to this place.
Follow me how now?
I overheard you talking to someone, this particular.
Yes. Ayo, where have you been? Huh? I've been calling your line now, you're not responding. Okay, no problem. I went for shopping. Me? No. I did the shopping for you actually. I was calling to know your size and other things. Yes. Yeah. When I was still there, that was when I was calling you. But you're not picking. I wanted to know if I can bring the stuff to you. Okay. Yes, all the limo. Yes, I know it. Very close to Life supermarket. Wow, you sell there. That's good. That's good. Okay, see, just drop it as a text message for me. Okay, I'll see you shortly.
I just want to be serious that you're okay.
Okay, I'm fine. Obviously.
So it's because of this girl. They see I'm now, love they shack you. Because of this did I call it this packaged bloated ass. That's why you're misbehaving. Very short thing. See, I will not be surprised if this girl charm you.
Are you done?
I'm done for now.
Get a cab to the house or wherever you want to go. I am not going home from here.
Hold on now. At least allow me to count the money. Hold on.
Aaron, did you ask me for money? Did you ask me to keep money for you?
Sorry. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah, let's go.
Let's go now. Let's go where?
Anywhere that you're going to.
Aaron, what is wrong with you?
There is nothing wrong with me. I'm just looking after my friend.
Give me money first.
You say?
Give me money first.
You have to kill me. As for this money. Otilo, gone. This photo now, let's go. Move and be a good boy for once. This. It's just the...
You know you can be very annoying. You're very, very annoying.
Move this photo, let us go, please. You sound like big cash for
I've sent it though. Have you gotten it? The guy that just dropped you, who is it to you? I mean, are you his sister, his secretary, or his girlfriend?
Is this how you behave? Like you just walk up to a stranger you don't know from anywhere and then you start asking me annoying questions. Really?
Annoying questions, how? I just asked a simple, harmless question. All I need from you is just a simple answer. Why are you paranoid?
I don't give answers to silly questions.
Oh. Look, you're the one I'm trying to help here. You see that guy? I know him too well. His name is Efe. See, he's going to use you and dump you. Dump you like toiletries. Just ignore the looks, all those gentleman, handsome looks. His mind is evil. I'm just trying to help you.
So is that all you have to say?
No, that's not all. Oh. You see that guy? He is a chronic. When I mean chronic womanizer. Any girl he sleeps with, the girl becomes a topic of discussion amongst his friends. So, I'm just trying to help.
I beg, get out, I beg. You don't have anything important to say.
I think Mumu that I'm trying to help. Those that have ears, let them hear.
Baby girl. Go and get a life because this patrol where they portray no fit you at all. Okay?
Don't worry. I understand the reason you're not taking what I'm saying seriously. This is actually your job, Olosho. You know, you're on duty. So there's no point taking me seriously.
What did you just say?
I said, the reason you are not taking me seriously is because you are an Olosho. So, what's there? It's a normal thing to you.
And will you be bold enough to repeat what you just said now?
What other boldness do I need? Eh? See you. See me. I am talking to you. And I said, the only reason you are not taking what I am saying seriously is because you are an Olosho. How dare you?
Are you mad? Are you crazy? How dare you?
Hello, Ella.
Aaron, you won't believe what just happened. I saw Ife dropping a girl. I approached the girl and asked her who she is to Ife. No, simple question. And she opened her mouth and started insulting me.
Can you imagine? Why would you even do that? So seriously, it's so embarrassing you seeing someone for the first time and you decide to insult them like that. Who does that?
Aaron, please. I asked her because I wanted to know who she is now. You know I still have feelings for Ife. I just wanted to know if she's the sister, so at least you will help me talk to him. Is that a bad thing to do?
Why are you calling me now?
I'm calling you to know if you know her. She's tall, a bit chubby. She's not dark. Okay, is she dark? She's fair. Something like that. Do you know her? Is she Ife's sister? If she is, please, can you give me her number so I can apologize to her, please? Please.
Well, Ife has just one sister, and she does not reside in this city, right? Did you guys have a fight?
I was provoked by her response. Moreover, she slapped me. Oh, what the girl has got. She slapped me face. I was just having a conversation with her, and then boom, she hit me. So we fought. I hit her back.
Well, Ife has just one sister, and she does not reside in this city. She doesn't even fit in the description you just mentioned right now.
Are you sure?
Yes.
So, what about the girlfriend you talked about? Does she look anything like what I just described?
Please, I don't have time for this conversation, please. When you see Ife, you guys can iron things out, okay?
It's fine, it's fine. I'll find out myself, I beg. It's fine.
Beautiful customer. My beautiful customer. Forget the issue. Yeah, take am easy. Take care.
Sarah! Sarah!
Ella!
Wait!
Look at you!
Oh my word!
all this body?
Oh my word! Come on! Look at you! Do you know when I saw you from a distance, I was like, are you sure she's the one? Are you sure this is Sarah? It is Sarah! Me. Look at you! Oh my word! How have you been?
My darling, I have been great. There's no need asking because I can see that you're already good.
You too.
Trust me, I have been looking for your contact. Anyone I ask, you just tell me, I lost it. I don't have it anymore. I'm not wondering, where is this babe?
I no longer use that like...
I thought as much.
Wait.
Because you're not acting as if you're a ghost or something.
You had all this all along.
Look at the way this idiot. See mumu, see monkey. Let me come and give me another face start behaving like all those lesbians back in campus. At least, what are you doing around this place?
I moved into this environment some weeks ago. You stay here too?
For real?
Yes.
I live not so far from here.
We are neighbors. I swear.
It's
Girl,
super
but
great
you
to
look
see.
good.
Thank you. You look good
Look at the
yourself.
body.
Put your
Everything
digits so that we can
on
keep in
point.
touch.
Yes, sure,
Yes,
sure, sure, sure.
yes, so it's great to see you again. I mean, it's been a
Everywhere is
long,
screaming
long time.
attention. Boom, boom, attention. The breast. Everywhere.
I no blame. Monkey, put your digits. Man, I know I wanted to reach you before you disappear again. Give me your number. Okay. I'll just.
Where are you picking? When are you coming back?
Guy, why are you so concerned about when I'm coming? What did happen?
Nothing. Just that the girl I told you now, Sarah.
Okay. What happened to her?
She prepared something for dinner, so.
That's nice. But see, I want to quickly close up a deal with a client. Like now.
Yeah, I just hope it pulls through. She said she wants to see you before she leaves.
No, man, I'm not sure say she will be way through. Because I don't even know when I'll be through. Alright?
Okay then. We're not businessmen. I'll be the one to handle it.
Okay, you go wait, make I close this deal first. Make deal click now. I don't understand you, Aaron.
Hey, don't click already. All I'm waiting for is just for you to come back. Let's pop champagne.
Guy, bye-bye. Later.
Alright. Goodbye. He sends his greetings to you.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
He sounded like someone who had a lot of things to do before he comes back home later.
Don't worry, picking. See that guy? Eh? He has the blood of an evil guy in him. I'm telling you, he does not joke with his business.
You know, well, I swear.
Like, seriously.
Mm-hmm. But from the way you guys were conversing, I guess your childhood friends?
Yes, now. We grew up in Warri. Japan Road, for that matter. We grew up together. After our secondary school, he traveled with an Igbo guy to China.
Wow.
Then he came back and established a whole lot of business.
That's good though. But thinking about it, why not just ask him for some money to start up your business?
Well, I did already. Well, he told me to give him some time.
Okay. But just try to remind him when he gets back in the evening. You know, busy guys like him, they tend to forget a lot of things.
Come on. He's my guy, okay? He won't do such a thing. Yeah?
If you say so.
It's not like that.
What be this one? Ha.
Pick it up now.
No, Jerry. It's that Mumu guy now. The Titanic guy I told you I met the other day. The guy keeps troubling my life.
Then trouble him back.
See, all I'm just waiting for is just a sharp thing. I just call one fat thing for the guy and then I free him.
Yeah. Grab the money very fast, right? Because me, I need money. I need money to establish my business because I'm not happy you're picking this call. I mean, you're having this kind of flings with him. I'm not happy here.
See who they talk. You know
I need the money to invest in my business.
Oh, but you know how people, you need the money. Anyway, I'm just waiting to get the money from him. Then the Titanic will definitely sink.
Let me see. You actually stored his name with Titanic?
No. Whatever this is. I'm going be now. Well, trust me, darling. The Titanic is sinking soon. Don't stress.
Please.
It's calling again. Okay, let me just take it. Hello? My Titanic. I'm so sorry. I'm very busy right now. But don't worry, I'll call you back much later, okay? Alright then. Bye. Babe?
Your Titanic.
Let me go and check. Hope the rice on fire. For you are my love.
Linda, I'm not sure I'll be able to wait for Sarah. I need to catch up with my friend. I want to pick something from her shop before she can get home.
It's okay. I'll let her know. Thank God she's here. Sarah. Oh my God. Ella.
I'll be inside. Let me allow you to attend to your guests.
I am super
Thank you so much,
sorry.
Linda. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Sorry I kept you waiting this long. I'm sorry.
You would have told me you're not coming anytime soon instead of making me wait.
I just told you I was sorry. Okay, fine. I'm sorry.
You're fond of this thing.
Sorry. Please just say it.
Stop.
I beg no vex. In Hausa, yeah, Biko no. You never do. Come on now, I'm sorry. No vex. I beg you, waiting. Whatever. You know what? I know how to just cheer you up. Let me get you something to drink. It will cool your ulcers. Hold on.
I'm not interested. I just had one.
Two will not change anything. Let me just go in and get you something.
I said I don't want. Is it by force? Whatever you bring here, you're going to take it.
Don't worry. Let me bring you first. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it, okay? So calm down. Whew. Yeah.
Please hurry. This street is so quiet. Are you sure I'll get a cab here?
Don't worry. Trust me. There are always cabs. Anytime, any day. Just be a little bit patient, okay?
I hope so.
My phone. Oh, my friend. Hello? Babe, where are you? Oh, okay. Just be coming straight. Yes, I'm standing outside. Yes. Just you meet me. Just come straight. You see me, okay? Alright there. My friend is coming, so you just use the cab that she's coming with. There's no need to stress yourself.
Yeah, that would be nice.
She's the one I told you about when we're leaving the house, eh? You'll be buying jewelry for her. She sells really good jewelry, okay? Ella, meet Dorothy. Dorothy, Ella.
Hi.
Let's do business.
Who are you offering a handshake? When did that friendship start? You want to get me infected with a handshake? For what? Like why? Why are you offering me a handshake? Are you okay?
You know what? People like you are very senseless. I don't blame you. And I will not waste my time talking to an annoying, smelling pig like you, okay?
See the animal that is calling me a smelling pig. Don't you have a mirror in your house?
Okay.
See this fat fool calling me a smelling pig.
That is
you that is eating my leftover.
That is all you can say.
You that is eating my leftover.
That is all
between
you
the two of
can
us,
say.
who is a pig?
Okay.
Goat.
That is all you can say.
Anytime you see me on the road and try to exchange any pleasantries, you will not like what I will do.
Who
to
the
you.
hell are
Go.
you? Who the hell are you?
So what's this girl? Like, did she just actually insulted me? Pig, smelling pig like you, goat, animal.
That is all you can say, bitch.
Ella.
Rubbish.
What's this?
What the hell is this? What's this? Oh God.
Wait,
Sarah, I'm so angry right now. I'm so angry.
did that just happen in front of me? Okay, here you go.
Thank you very much.
Yep, you're welcome. Okay. Thank you. You're welcome. Now that is out of the way, would you like to tell me what really happened between you both? Or do we just forget about it?
Sarah, please, let's not talk about it. And let's just focus on Mom here. Don't talk about it, please.
It's fine, as you wish. So can I see what you brought?
Yes, you're going to love this new collection. Trust me.
Let's see.
Okay. Look at this. Okay.
This is more masculine.
Look at this.
But can I see more earrings?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, I already have something like this.
Yeah.
Well, I really do not understand why you have to call me so urgently. I think it's not something we can talk on the phone. Okay, alright. I'm here now.
Aaron, please. I know I've spoken about this countless times, but I really need you to help me. I don't have a choice. I need you to help me. You're the only friend he has that he listens to. You get? I need you to talk to him to accept me back, please.
With all due respect, I really do not want to get involved or become a barrier between my friend and his new girlfriend. Please, I beg, run this matter by yourself. I can't. I don't want him to see that I'm the one trying to intricate or do anything against his friendship with his new girlfriend. You understand? Do it yourself, please. Remove me. I'm sure whoever you saw with him is his new fiancé. And I mean, if she gets to hear all this, she will not be happy with me.
Aaron,
So
please, you're talking plenty. Are you going to help me or not? What's all this now? See, I don't mind paying you. I am serious.
Are you kidding me?
Aaron, see, I am dead serious. Whichever way you want me to pay you, cash, please, Aaron, please. Please.
Hello.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine. Hope there's no problem.
There's no problem. But I think your face seems so familiar. I can't recognize where I met you.
I don't think we've met before.
Is your name Ayo, right?
Yes, but I can't recall where we've met.
Okay. Please, whenever you see your man, tell him you met someone called Aaron. I'm sure he will tell you things about me.
Okay then.
Alright, do take care of yourself, huh?
Same to you.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Wow. This ass is so solid. Hey! Efe! It's alright. This is the most beautiful moment of my life. Baby, you bad sha.
So even after all the beg I begged to use protection, you still went down with me like that. Wow. I've done my part. It's now your turn to do your part of the bargain.
I'll try.
Which one is I'll try? See, you need to give me assurance, oh. You need to keep to your own promise. What's the meaning of that? Don't let us have issues, oh.
I don't understand. What do you want me to say? I said I would try now.
Oh God, that's not what I want to hear, I beg. What's the meaning of that? I just did my own part of the bargain and you're telling me you will try. Give me assurance, I beg, or make me a promise.
It's okay. Bring down your voice down now. Want Efe to come in here? Rest assured it's 50-50. Yes, it's 50-50. So I'll try, like I said.
Aaron, what is wrong? See, don't make us have issues, oh. Don't let us have issues. I'm not going to take it lightly with you at all. What's this one now? Why are you saying 50-50? So you know it's not something you can handle and you went down with me. Don't see. You better advise yourself, oh.
I've heard you now. Stop shouting.
Please come and open the door for me, I beg. I'm ready.
Is that why you are so angry? Don't tell. Hey, this one you passed unannounced.
Wait, Aaron, I should take excuse from you before I come into my house?
I am not saying that.
Who was that?
Who was what?
Don't play games. I saw somebody.
There is no one here, as you can see.
You're shaking.
Welcome. Welcome, sir. Welcome, with you.
What the hell is she doing here?
She actually came to see you. And I told her to go. That wouldn't be funny if you find her here. She was actually on her way out before you.
Yes. I was actually leaving when you opened the door. So I had to hide because I wasn't really sure what your reactions would be if you see me.
Ella, I've told you countless times. I do not want to have anything to do with you again. Get it into your head.
Ife, you said so. Oh, please, can we just be friends at least?
You see this game that you're playing? It will not work with me.
I know do again, please stay away. Don't wanna be your fool again. Oh yeah.
I was expecting you to see something now. You just stood there.
Say what? Can't you see the look on his face? What do you expect me to say?
You see what you've caused? I suggested a hotel. But instead you brought me here because you don't want to pay for a room.
If you pay for a hotel, is it a bad thing?
You're so shameless. Just pray this doesn't ruin the whole thing for me. Rubbish.
Don't worry.
Get your hands off me. I know my way.
I'll call you on the phone. Go now. What are you?
You can betray my trust and gain it back.
Ekene, I do not like this. The only reason I came here is to give you this phone. Don't think I will fall for your sweet talks. Have your phone, let me go.
Linda, the phone is already yours. I only put up this ad to drag your attention. Please, can we talk?
I am not interested in whatever you have to talk about. Look, if you do not want to take this phone, fine. But do not call me again requesting for it. Else you will not get it.
Linda, can we go inside the car so that we can talk?
You and who?
Me and you, of course, Linda. I've really missed you. Listen, the person you caught with me is never my girlfriend. She is my sister. Why don't you believe me?
Ekene, you are a liar. You are a big liar. She's your sister. And you could not stop her from running her mouth, insulting me. You could not do anything about it.
Linda, were you expecting me to beat her? Don't forget you're the person who started all this drama. You started it. What did she say to you? You went beyond your limit by calling her boyfriend snatcher, calling her all sorts of names. What did she say to you? What did she say?
Is she not a boyfriend snatcher? Is she not an ashawo? Eh? I have never seen her in your house before. You've not even made mention of her.
Don't forget that this girl did not insult you like you claim. The only thing she said that this girl get Pepe Bodio. And the next thing you started ranting, shouting. You couldn't even give me a listening ear for you to hear what I want to say. You started ranting just like you're doing now. What exactly do you want me to do?
Me ranting? Do you even know that I have put in more effort than you in this relationship?
I beg your pardon. How do you mean?
Oh, you want us to start talking about it? Have you ever given me money to buy hairs, bags, even clothes? Of course, the only thing I have benefited from you is this phone. Or let me say, you've given me money 3 times to make my hair. 3 good times in 8 months relationship.
Thank God you have admitted that I've given you something. Listen, we are not yet couples. If I am married to you, then I will start giving you all of this. Yes.
So, me where they give you money since, I be fool. I resemble your papa. or I carry your mama face. Eh, Kenny?
Linda, let me even ask you a question. What exactly do you want me to do for you?
Admit the truth.
Okay, fine. She is my girlfriend. Are you not satisfied with that? She is my girlfriend. What is wrong with you?
At least now the devil can be ashamed.
Who is the devil? Linda, like I said before, she is my girlfriend, and if you don't like the fact that she is my girlfriend, then you hug the transformer, or better still, you jump into the river. Don't disturb me again with these your shenanigans.
Did he just walk out on me?
Aaron, you should know me by now. Eh? I'm not your type of guy. I can't possibly cheat on my girl.
Are you serious?
Hell no.
A girl you know nothing about. I mean, a girl you just met.
Says who? Oh, because I traveled? Well, newsflash. I gave this girl a call today to meet me somewhere really, really nice. We had a good time. Unlike me, who would not even try to create time. I did today. You see?
Wow. Very nice of you.
Thank you.
But I can assure you that Ella will not be a bone in your neck. I mean, this girl is willing to be a side chick.
Aaron, you've not been listening. I cannot do anything that will hurt Ayo's feelings. I can't.
Are you serious? See, your mother said don't tire a person. I'm telling you the truth. What is wrong with you? This Ayo girl that you're talking about, isn't that short girl, that short buffalo girl? What does she have? The thing is that she's just using this Botox to confuse you, brainwash your head. Yeah. That's what she's doing.
Ayo is a beautiful girl. What? She's an angel. Thank God you acknowledge her backside. What about that?
See, the truth is that you have a very bad taste about women.
Thank you. And for, what's her name? Ella. If you want to go for her, beautiful. I won't be offended. It's a free word.
Hello? Yes, I'm under the tree. Don't worry, just pass by. You see me standing. Yes, just.
And I'm putting on a green jumpsuit. Do you see me? Just keep coming. I'm ready. Keep coming.
You?
Anyways, let's just go somewhere calm that is chill and talk. Okay?
What are you talking about? Wait. Were you the one I was talking to on the phone that said I should come meet her here?
Yes. No, that's not true. Look, listen. My friend gave me your contact. But are you the hell I've been speaking to, or is it a coincidence or what?
What stupid coincidence are you talking about? You just see people on the road and the next minute you're talking about coincidence. What stupid coincidence are you talking about?
Babe, this is you. And for some reasons, I don't know why you don't like me. And please, can you just stop shying away from me? This is about you, not me. Can you just listen to me, babe? Listen, I was an active nurse before I relocated down here. And I have a whole profession of my own while I'm still waiting for my professional job. I understand this is private, but please, you're safe with me, trust me.
Are you done with your sermon? Are you done?
Yes, but it's
now
up
let me
to
tell
you
you something. I have no idea what you're talking about. Seriously, I don't even know what you're talking about. And for the whole phone thing, it wasn't you I was on the phone with. It's obvious. Hey! I am going to advise you to wait. Wait patiently for whoever you were talking to on the phone. I'm sure the person will come. Rubbish.
It's you. It's very obvious.
Let me call my friend.
Hello?
Can you hear me?
babe just left now, but it's her obviously. I mean, did you give me wrong number?
Hello, babe. What's the meaning of this now? What's the meaning of this one? Are you sure the number you gave me is the correct one? Babe, see, I'm asking because the person I met is not someone I want to have. It's not someone I want to have this kind of conversation with. Like, I've met her before and we don't tally at all. I wouldn't want her to know about the whole infection thing now. She will use it to mock me. Why are you doing this to me? Babe, I beg. See, just find something, tell her something, look for anything. Pick up any story and tell her, I beg, I'll sort myself out, I'll know what to do. Okay? I can't, no now. She can't handle this for me, I beg, not that girl. I beg. Take care. Which kind of bad luck can't be this one now? What is this? Of all the people in the world.
Oh, I am telling you the truth. I do not have any other woman except you, Sarah. I'm telling you, you need to believe me. So tell me, what are you doing? Okay. So, can I see those beautiful pointed oranges? These oranges are so beautiful. Baby, please. I do not want to see your face. Avoid your face, okay? Let me just see those pointed oranges.
Whose breast is that?
Guy, now what for you? You're not making video call and you just...
Oh, sorry. I didn't know. I didn't know you were making video call to the breast. I was standing.
Did you see anything?
No, I did not see, you know. How do you get me?
Aaron, what was the meaning of that? No, what do you mean you don't understand? What was that for? You knew your friend was there, yet you insisted I show my breast. What for? No, that's not nice. Do you know how I feel? Thank God my face did not even show. And thank you for telling him it wasn't me. Else, I don't know how I would have faced him if I eventually meet him. When is he coming back? Okay. No, I'm actually waiting for the person that's coming to visit. As soon as she leaves, I'll come over. All right then. Who is it?
It's Dorothy.
Oh, Dorothy. Oh. Good morning. Please come in. Come in. You are welcome, please.
Thank you.
Please sit. Thank you. Welcome.
Thank you. And thank you for the balance.
It's nothing. Come on. It's fine. Okay, you know what? I'll just get my friend Linda so she can come and pick one or two stuffs from you. I know she will tell me that she's already late for work, but I know how to.
Me too. I was supposed to be at work, but I just quickly want to make some sales before going to work.
That's fine. Let me just get her.
Thank you.
Oh, there she is. Please meet my friend. This is the same person I told you I bought jewelry from. You can just pick one or two from her. I mean, she sells really nice jewelry. Trust me now. Oh yeah, babe, introduce your market now.
What the hell are you doing in my house?
What's going on?
This is the bitch that insulted me in front of my stupid boyfriend.
Bitch girl.
She caused our breakup.
Insult you? Oh, you insulted yourself. And please do not speak to me again in that manner. Because I have had enough of the way you insulted me the last time. And I will not take this disgusting word from you again, okay? This is my house. And you must learn to talk to me with respect.
Calm down. Please, let's just calm down.
You must be silly. It is you that is silly. You that caused our breakup. You are silly.
Linda, calm down.
You know what, Sarah?
Yes.
I'm out of here. And you need to visit a psychiatrist. You said, Linda, you want to touch me? You say what? Do you want to touch me? Oh, you don't know who you're fighting with. Who you be? You don't know who you're fighting with. You be Tinubu Pikin? Eh? I mean, you be cultist. What is this? She dey crazy. Who she say she be? Calm down. She be cultist. You first stay now. Make I show you. Make I put up for your body. What? You dey mad. Linda, that girl dey crazy. Calm down. Dorothy! Linda, you stay there. I will be right back. Dorothy!
Linda, you have to calm yourself down. Come on. Ekene, whatever he calls himself, it's not even enough for you to be acting this way. Come on, the guy is not even worth it. Why are you fighting over a guy that is not even worth it?
Fight over which guy? That idiot. Look, I cannot fight over such person. I was only furious because of the way she spoke to me. I mean, she had the guts to be rude to me in my house. Who does that?
But it's understandable. Perhaps she did that because you called her a bitch. What do you expect?
That is who she is, a bitch.
Linda, can you calm down? You don't reach.
I beg. Come they go.
See this one. Go where?
I thought you said you are going to see that your guy now. Abi, you don't change your mind.
I didn't change my mind. The point is, I'll go see him later.
Oh.
Besides, I can't leave you standing here like this. You're fuming.
See wahala. I did come. I did all right. Okay. I promise you this drama don't end like this.
Excuse me. Hello? Babe. Yeah, I'm good. Do you want us to see? Oh, it's quite unfortunate. I cannot make it. No, I can't see you right now. The thing is, I am not in town. I traveled to my village. Yes. After I left you yesterday, my mom called me to tell me that my presence is needed at a family meeting. As I speak with you, I'm in my village right now because I left immediately. I left to the village immediately I saw you. Yes. Oh, baby, that's so nice of you. Thank you for your understanding. You're a wonderful person. And I love you. My baby, my love. I love you so much. Bye-bye, my love.
Sarah.
Eh?
Sarah.
Babe, what's up? What's up? See, I want to apologize for what happened yesterday. Please don't take it to heart. I overreacted without thinking, though. Don't take it.
Ekene or whatever you call yourself. As you can see, she's not in the mood to talk to you. So just go to that disgruntled and rubbish car you came with and bounce. Bounce. Up, go.
Are you kidding me?
You heard me loud and clear.
Listen, Sarah. I am not the cause for your frustration, so do not bring this silly attitude to me.
Who are you talking about that is frustrated? You ungrateful idiot. You think I'm Linda? Don't say I'm not a fool. Do not take me for a fool. You are the frustrated one here.
Listen, Sarah, if you don't want me to bounce on you, you better behave yourself.
No, hear me. What will you do? If you think you have balls and you're a man, try it.
I was driving past, but your attitude towards them caught my attention. Why are you treating ladies like that?
Well, what's in your own? What's in your own for this matter? How this thing use concern you? Now me you get mine blow, Oga. I don't mark your face. Anywhere I see you for this time, I go put them for your body. Now me you blow.
Look at you, you're shaking like a woman. Thank your bloody stars that I'm traveling for something very important. Otherwise, you'd have gotten more. Get out.
Now me you blow. I go come for you. I go come back for you, no worry.
Bros, thank you so much. Thank you.
I will come for you.
Thank you so much.
Hello? Maudogoka. Good morning, sir. Yes, sir. Are you at the office? Because you asked me to come to the office to bring some of my stuff. Yes, for you to buy for your girl. Are you in the office right now? So when are you returning, sir? Oh, okay. Till you return then. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Alright, sir. Take care.
Madam, I beg you, go help me. Stand my Insta for that place. Now my neighbor before. I beg, help me. Make I just carry am. I beg, make you know this. I can't go drop you. I can't come back. I can't carry her again.
Okay.
I beg. So that if I drop you, I'll go drop her. If I drop you, I'll go drop her too.
Okay, it's fine.
Thank you. Manela, good morning.
Hey, Victor. Now you. How you doing now?
Fine.
You don't already carry person self.
Where they go?
Now just 2 streets away from here.
No wahala now. Enter. Where should they go? No day far.
No wahala.
Good morning.
Victor, wait, no move, Abel.
Wait, Ella, wait. What's the problem? They go again.
I don't say.
Now she know wetin make her calm down because the fire of God in me, it dey burn her. She no fit stay now.
Victor, move your keke.
She don't go. She no fit stay. Come and sit down. You cannot stay.
You be evangelist.
I be evangelist. You don't know. She no fit stay. Come and sit down now. It go burn you.
Hold on, please.
It's fine. I don't keep things in mind for so long. If I won't come, I will tell you right away. I'm sorry. I had to ask Sarah for your number. Yeah, she told me she was the one that gave you my contact. No offense. Okay. Please sit. Thank you. Dorothy, first of all, I am sorry I fought with you. I apologize for all the things I sent to you. It was out of anger. Please don't take it seriously. It's all good. I have forgotten about it. But I, Dorothy, do not belong to the category that fights over a man. I called you here to let you know who Ekene truly is. He has said a lot of things about you. He has rubbished you to me on several occasions. He said a lot of irritating, disgusting things about you. You mean Ekene? Yes. Yes. I feel I should tell you, so you will know how to do things with him. For me, I do not have the patience to change him. And I know that having you in his life, he will turn a new leaf. Though he sleeps around with all kinds of women. But something tells me that you will make him change. For me, I am done with him. I do not want to have anything to do with him anymore. I don't want to say, so you won't go and tell him. For me, I am done with him. Whatever you are doing, just be very careful. Linda, but if you don't tell me, how will I know the area to be careful about Ekene? Promise me you will not tell him. You can count on me. Ekene told me you are an orphan and a whore. He said you have drugged him severally and you took advantage of him. And he has been maintaining the relationship because you don't have anyone to run to.
So you mean that is not all? He also said that you gave him infection and he has been battling, trying to treat it. And that was exactly what you both were trying to settle the day I met you both. So just be careful.
So you mean Ekene said all of this rubbish?
Yes, and please do not tell him I told you.
Linda, thank you so much for this meeting. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
I will have to take my leave now.
Okay, we are friends now, right?
Yeah, sure we are.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
I can't wait to hear what will happen next. Ekene, I told you, you have no idea of who you are dealing with.
Oh, baby.
My love, I cannot wait for you to start working so you can take care of me like the queen that I am.
Definitely. And I would love to run my own business.
I know. It's good to be your own boss. I know that fact.
You get it?
Yes. I mean, take a look at me that's running a small business. I am not answerable to anyone. But that does not mean if a good offer comes, I'll decline it. Never.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, that reminds me. The old man the rich old man you talked to me about 2 nights ago. Are you really serious? You're kidding?
No, I am not kidding. Do you know that rickety, disgruntled old man offered me 500k weekly plus Range Rover to date him? I mean, not the Range Rover though, but the 500k is weekly to date him. Can you imagine?
It's a lie.
Ew.
Range Rover! And, hey, God in heaven, please, this one must manifest in the name of Jesus Christ.
What are you saying?
Yes, now.
I don't understand. Look at me. So you want a 90-year-old man, that scruffy old man, for me, a young, sweet girl like me, to date that kind of old, disgusting man? Never.
What are you talking about now? What has this sweet, young, this thing done for you? Any money in your bank? Nothing. See, collect the Range Rover and the money. We need it. I need to start up my own business. You know now, my friend has been promising me all this while, but nothing is coming out. I don't understand. See, it's not like I'm encouraging you to sleep with a man, but I know you now. Just find a way around it. Don't just keep in, but always give him false hope.
No, get that CBO, that kind of old man. What if he just came to exchange my destiny because of money? Somebody has to be careful.
You're making a point too.
Oh. Sorry. Hello, Linda. What's up? I hope you girls didn't fight too. Because you didn't tell me what you wanted to discuss with her. Tell me, what did you tell her? What? You this girl, you know well, oh. Why would you tell her something like that? Oh. Hey, because you want Ekene to hate her. Linda. I bet this is stubborn, no. But I don't see person when Chris pass me. If you have be resue, winch, demonic human. No. I will soon come now. Very soon. Oh yeah, now when I come, go just stand plenty. Alright, dear. Bye.
Did you cut?
Yes, I've ended the call.
Like, say this is your friend, the para too much.
Babe, I thought I was a stubborn one. I didn't know that my flatmate was worse than me.
Oh.
Yes.
Man, I don't... Hold on a minute.
Oh.
Did you just inform her that you're coming back soon?
Hey, Babe, I've been here for 4 days.
And so?
I need to go home. Come on. Stop. Okay. Take now.
What do you see? That old man.
Oh, please. Yeah. Drink.
We have to talk about
No, we're not talking about anything. I love you.
Yes, Aaron, I will send somebody to the house tomorrow. I want you to give her that proposal you were supposed to deliver for me, please.
Why did you have to change your mind? You thought I won't go?
No, I just want somebody from the office, from my office, to deliver it.
Really? Okay, no problem. But is she attractive?
Hey, Aaron, don't dare. Behave yourself now. The use will swear for you.
Calm down. Now, simple question I just ask. I don't kill anybody. You know this kind of errands here, you need a very beautiful, sexy lady and not a girl that is shapeless.
Guy, I know why you are asking. So don't patronize me.
See person I won't try help.
She's beautiful. She's sexy. That is what you want to hear. Are you happy now?
So as you tell me now, did you die? Did you change your name from Efe to Coconut Head?
Will I say this boy? You don't the smoky bow. See, I use God beg you. When she comes, behave yourself. I beg.
Yeah. I don't hear. Anything else?
Nothing. I'll reach out to you before she comes.
I know what I know. Just get that from my phone, please.
This boy, I pity you.
Bye, guy. This safe here can be funny sometimes.
This boy and woman, Aaron.
Yeah, open the gate.
Okay, sir.
Dorothy! Yes. Wait. Don't tell me you're the one Efe asked to pick up the proposal.
Of course, it's me.
What? A small world.
It's indeed a small world. And it's been long we met.
Yes. We met last in 2020 at your mother's burial.
You're correct. Yes, that's true. You're correct.
And that reminds me. How about Ekene? Have you been hearing from him?
Yes, we always link up, and he also resides in this city.
That is a lie.
I'm serious.
Really?
Yes, he's in this city.
Give me his contact.
Sure, why not?
ASAP.
Oh.
Babe, what's up?
I do.
You did not go to work?
No, today is my off day.
Oh. How far? I'm okay. Babe. See. The thing is, I've been having this irritating discharge. I don't know if it's an infection.
Babe, you need to see a doctor to know what's up.
Doctor?
Don't just overlook it. You need to do something about it real quick.
Oh my God. I just hope it's not an infection. Oh my God.
Obviously it is. Huh? You shouldn't have slept with that guy like that.
I know.
I know if you try am. As far as we are not married, look, now only yourself you feel vouch for. You don't know what they will call for your absence.
I know, right? The thing is, I've never done it before. Like, each time I tell him to use a CD and everything, but I don't know why I did it this time. I shouldn't have.
That means you are aware he cheats on you.
Before Uncle, you don't marry me. My darling, I cannot be policing a man around now. Definitely, we're not married, so he'll want to sow his royal oats out there. But, God, what do I do?
I understand, my dear. I think you should browse the internet to have a clue of what it is.
You have a point. I just do that straight away.
Who is there? Who is there?
Can you please lock the door and come so that we can talk?
Say whatever you want to say and leave.
That's it.
I did not ask you to come in. Neither did I tell you to sit down.
Please, Linda, ignore my manners. Just sit so that we can talk. I am not here for quarrels. Like I said before, I am not here for quarrel.
Then tell me why you are here. Because I do not have time for an ungrateful person like you.
Linda, you have done a lot for me and I wouldn't want to hurt you. You're such an amazing person. Kind, hardworking, and to crown it all, your sociality is top-notch.
Oga, save those sermons and go straight to the point.
Linda, I know you'll be thinking that I'm having an affair with Dorothy.
That's the truth. Or are you trying to deny it? Anyways, that is none of my business. I don't leave you for her. Make two of now marry, born children.
This is ridiculous. You're so funny.
Sisi, I beg, come they go. Because I know whatever you are going to say right here will not make any sense to me.
It's because you refuse to give me your listening ears. There is nothing on earth that I will say here now that will make sense to you. You just want me to say yes to all that you have been accusing me. Like I said before, Linda, Dorothy is my sister. If you don't believe it, fine. You can do the finding yourself to see if I am lying.
Hey. Men can lie when it comes to relationship. Ekene, have you forgotten you told me Dorothy is your girlfriend? Huh? Hey!
Linda, I don't know what I will say for you to believe me. Anyways, here is the document.
Documents for what?
Remember you told me how you've been intimidated in your office by your female colleague who always intimidates you with her car. So since that day, I made a promise of getting you one. I had to play a game with sum of 100,000 naira. I had to take the risk to play the game. And they said the lucky person will go with the brand new car. I had no choice than to take the risk. I did it with your details under my name. And finally the result came out successfully yesterday and I happened to be the lucky winner. I went there today to confirm if everything was intact. And finally all was fine. I went to check one or two things, but everything there was okay. Congratulations to you. They will call you any moment from now. Huh? I have to go.
So she didn't believe you at all?
I am telling you nothing but the truth. There was no sign of appreciation, not even a single excitement. Maybe she thought I was faking the car to use it to, and settle with her.
You know what? Don't worry. She will be speechless when she receives a call from those people. Trust me, she will.
She will? See, Dorothy, listen, you made mention of Sarah being your friend. Are you telling me the truth or you're trying to pull my legs?
Yeah, Sarah is someone I got connected to a few months ago and we became friends.
Dorothy, why not talk to Sarah on behalf of me? Maybe she will talk to her. There's no better person to talk to her than Sarah. She will listen to her. Please, please help me.
You know Linda is a very difficult person. I'm going to talk to Sarah. I just pray she listens to me.
She will. She will. Just help me out. Please, I am begging you. Okay. No better person to talk to her now than Sarah.
Okay, I have heard you. That reminds me, I saw Aaron and he gave me a contact.
Yes, he called me yesterday. Even this morning, he called me this morning. And I told him when I'm free, I will get back to him.
Yes, because it's been long you both connected. Honestly.
Don't worry. I will call him back as soon as I am done. Just, where are you heading to?
I'm not going home yet. I want to see a lady. And once I'm done, then I'll get home.
Then get into the car. Let me drop you. I'm going out.
Are you serious?
I will drop you there. Don't bother yourself. Just hop in.
Thank you.
Aaron, I just asked you a question. All I need is a simple answer. Being will not solve any issue.
I need to be sincere with you, Sarah. Yes, I was the one. So I had a fling with a girl unprotected. I know that's so foolish of me, but believe me, she's not my girlfriend. I tell you. I met her on the road. I spoke to her and she accepted. I was just carried away. That's all. I'm really sorry I had to transmit the STI to you. Please forgive me. I beg you. But I've started having treatment, and in a few days I'll be fine.
It's easy for you to say sorry. But do you see what your inability to control yourself has caused?
I'm truly sorry.
You know what? Every single treatment or medication I'll take, you will definitely take care of it.
Yes, I will. I will take every responsibility of my actions. Yes, I will. Financially and otherwise, I will. Please. I'm really sorry.
Don't you dare come close to me.
I'm sorry!
Hello? Yeah, good day.
Yes, this is Linda Daniels. Oh, you are calling from Steady Motors? Wow, that is good. Are you serious? Yes, he told me. But I thought he was joking. Oh my goodness, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Yes, I know the office. I'll come to the office. Who doesn't know the office? Except the person is new in town. Yes, ma. Thank you so much, ma. I'll be coming. Yes. Thank you. Yay! I thought he was joking. Oh my God, Steady Motors. Even look at it.
Hey! Ikene was not lying, no. I'm not a cow owner.
Should I tell Sarah? No, not now. Not now.
Hey! Cow owner. Wow. Hey. I have a car now. I can't wait to go crazy. Who is there?
Me, Sarah.
Oh, Sarah, how far now? Okay, welcome. Thank you. What happened? Oh, you stayed long though.
Yeah, I know. I had to go to my shop first. Then I went to Aaron's house.
To confront him, I guess.
Yeah. I needed him to look me in the eye and deny it. But the funny thing is, he owned up to it. And he apologized.
Oh. His own is good. If not some guys, they go deny him. Still confuse you on top, as if you don't know what you are saying.
Mine is, I just want to get out of this mess. This whole thing, it's driving me crazy.
I understand.
You do?
Mm-hmm. I do.
Linda,
Hmm?
so you contacted STD and you never thought to tell me about it?
I beg. Which kind of rubbish talk be that one? Eh? I tell you say I get them.
But you just said you understand. And what does that connote? It means, you know, you're talking from experience. I mean, the way you said it that you understood, it means you've had STD before and you're giving me like a first-hand, you know, support that you understand what I'm going through.
Sarah, don't make me vex so. What I'm trying to say is that I understand what you are going through. I mean the pain.
Oh.
Now wow.
I'm sorry about that. I just felt you had said, you know what, forget about it. My head is clouded. I think I'm all over the place. Sorry.
Babe, you don't chop today, so. Okay, I better go chop. Your face no good. Babe.
Ella, why didn't you tell me that you have STI? You allowed me to have unprotected sex with you, and this whole thing is costing me a lot of money taking care of it.
So how is that supposed to be my business? If you like spend 10 million, 100 mil is none of my business, Oga.
My goodness! Is this all you have to say? After allowing me to do what, to have intercourse with you, be unprotected? I'm telling you the whole thing is making me spend a lot of money and you're here telling me it's not your business. Are you okay?
Did I just hear you say after allowing you have unprotected sex with me? You just said that. Didn't I tell you to use a condom the other day? Or did I tell you to use a condom or not? Did I tell you to use a condom or not? You're just spewing nonsense. No, please, stop. Listen, I know we had an agreement, but please, I'm not in the mood at all.
See, baby, I am in the mood right now, okay? See, if you're afraid that Efe will come in, don't worry, it's not coming anytime soon. Do you understand?
Okay, run! Okay, even if we are going to do anything, at least, let me see the condom you're going to use.
Come on now, there is no condom here. See, there is no condom here. By the time I go outside and get this condom, come on. Guys, come on now. What is wrong with you now? My mood will get down, please.
Oh, please stop. You cannot go unprotected with me now. What if one of us have infections?
Infection? You know you don't have infections now. Eh? One of us have infection. Let's just do this thing now. Please.
I have infections. I have infections. Since you don't want to accept that you have, I have. Please.
Okay. I know what you're trying to do right now. You're trying to scare me away, right? But that one will not work. Give it to me now. I didn't know you were serious that day. I thought you were joking.
You thought I was joking. That's the result of the joke. I told you, but you wouldn't listen.
Man, that's because that day, man, my body's just overcharged. So activated.
Because your body was activated, you refused to listen to me. And now you're trying to blame me for your mess. Okay, I beg, give me transport. Let me get out from here. I have an appointment with someone.
Don't worry, I will send it to your account.
You will send something reasonable. I'm not joking with you.
Anything you see there, you manage it. Well, she's only my cousin. It's just that we hardly reach out to each other. Everybody minds their business.
You know, I was surprised when she told me so.
I was. That's it, bro. Yeah.
You know, it's a big word to men, but to God, it's a small place.
I agree with you.
By the way, tell me, who is that girl that gave you that infection again?
You have to mind your business.
I'm your friend now. Can't I know? I'm looking out for you.
See, what is most important right now is that I'm getting treated. I'm better now.
Okay. You see why I am advising you to stick to one woman. This, you are here, you are there, you are here, you are there. It's not good. Imagine if this was a deadly sickness. You have contacted it.
It's not really easy, man. I hope to stop in due time. You know, it's not easy. Small, I think. I will stop.
Okay. Then this one is a spiritual case. This one that will take you small. My guy, you need deliverance.
I think you made a point. I need a deliverance. Okay. Yes. So you know what you have to do? Get me a pastor. Anywhere, any church. Take me there. Okay. I need to liberate myself.
Beautiful.
I need deliverance.
Yes. Yes, I'll take you to one of those churches where they wipe brooms for deliverance. Fornicator. Let me look for something to eat.
Linda, Dorothy came earlier. She wanted to see you in person.
What for?
To tell you the truth.
What truth?
That she's Ekene's sister. And that he loves you and wants you back in his life.
Are you sure she's not lying?
From everything I saw, I don't think she's lying. Besides, why would she even lie? I mean, wouldn't it be stupid if she just brings herself all the way from her house to come here to tell me that, oh, I'm a sister and everything? Don't you think so? Besides, I saw that look in her face. She can't be lying. She's not lying.
Then why didn't she tell me all of that when we had the last conversation? I mean, she allowed me fool myself.
Well, from my own point of view, I think she was just afraid of how you would react. Maybe she didn't know if you were in a good mood or if she could approach you at that time or anything. I think she just had to just give it a little bit of time. That's why she came here.
My goodness. I am so ashamed of myself right now. I just hope she has not told Ekene everything I said about him.
Let's hope so. I mean, Linda, if you both sort out this situation, I think you should just limit the way you spend your money. Girl, use your head. Come on.
Definitely, I will.
Good.
That reminds me.
Yeah.
Ekene was here the other day. He came to apologize for his actions. And he also said he registered me for a game, and that I eventually emerged the winner.
What game?
The Steady Motors game.
Steady Motors game? Do you know that Aaron also gave me some money to register for that?
You also registered?
No, I didn't. I used the money for shopping. Then I lied to him that I had registered.
This girl.
So, wait a minute. You mean Ekene did all of that for you and you won?
Of course he did. Let me get the documents.
Hey! Eh? It's nothing.
Yeah. I was so surprised. Steady Motors.
Ladies, so my girl don't become cow now. Congratulations, girl. In fact, where are you taking me to? Because we need to paint the town red.
Anywhere you want. I'm ready.
Let's go.
What are you doing here?
I came to see you. Are you going out?
You came to see me. You're such an amazing actor.
Ekene, please always pardon me anytime we have issues. I cannot always be right. Pardon my stubbornness, please.
Linda, I can't be standing here discussing all of this with you. Let's go into my house so that we can talk about this.
Let's go.
Yes, hello, Dorothy. How are you? Okay, yes, I'm at home. Listen, I want you to keep me posted, okay? I'll see you in the office on Monday. Thank you. Aaron! Aaron! Hello, please, can you call him back? Who is this? Ella. This email I caught today. The thing that I was planning to go.
Is my phone there?
Yes.
I've been looking for it.
You know, your phone was ringing. I was calling you, but you did not hear me.
Yes. Did you pick the call?
Yes, I picked it. It was Ella. You know, the call was distracting me. I had something important I was doing.
Guy, what for you? Eh? Why would they pick my calls?
I don't understand. Have I not been picking your calls? Why is this one different?
goodness, babe! Hey! That body they suit me. Hey! Take a look at your girl now. Just
Babe, this is the best treat ever. Hey! Make I sit down first. Hey, well. Hey! What is it?
Let me sit down. Hey, well.
What's happening? Let's make God the shark so I can breathe on
Body
top.
they sweet me.
Okay, tell me. What's up?
Omo, you needed to see the way I was pampered. I was feeling so special.
Obviously. Take a look at your girl now.
Hey! Okay, wait. Who took you out?
Babe, I can know.
I'm so fine.
Drop 19. Which kind of be that one? Where you go? You say you're feeling so pampered. You're feeling so this one. Never expected. You not shop for them.
Make I not chop again.
No. I mean, leave my
calm
peanuts.
down.
Respect
You don't see your
yourself.
blood today.
What to be that one?
Calm down.
Anyway, so you finally decided to go with the flow.
Yes, now. Thank God I listened to you. If not,
Mama, no, they disappoint. But wait first, for the excitement can continue. Tell me. Hope in all your pampering and everything, you didn't forget to bring something back for me.
be like na your eye na dey fall this peanut.
Make I know, you do bring something for me.
Say normally I know they dull. So
as
they hot.
Now your own video.
Babe, don't bet. I go down you. I mean, you chop and you yourself.
See my girl? Which one will I start from?
Where you like?
Hey, now. You said your own too much. So you carry water follow. That's what you dey do. You know they learn something.
I do you when I
water no dey house. Why you go carry water? You go buy this one. You go rest.
Because I do you when I dey complain.
I better take your tea.
I bring water for you. You don't blame me, sha.
But you're learning fast.
I dey inside.
Tonto, make us. Hey, this one ya shake go. See my girl, babe, don't beg. My word. Let me settle down and devour this one at least.
I'm sorry for keeping you waiting, okay?
It's fine. I was actually going somewhere when you called and said we should meet.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you for coming. Let's go somewhere conducive and talk, okay?
Okay. I'll just go from there.
Yes. Oh. Is this not Dorothy? Hey, what are you doing here?
I was waiting for a cabman to take me to your house. I called, but you didn't respond.
Oh, yes. I'm sorry about that. I was at the checkpoint. Okay, I said if I get to where I'm going, I'll call you.
Okay, should I go home or check up on you later?
No, just come inside. After my meeting, we can go home together.
Okay, thank you.
Dorothy, this is Ella, my friend.
Hi.
Ella, this is Dorothy, my personal person.
Hi, nice to meet you,
Ella. Dorothy, I hope I will not be disturbing your daily activities today.
Not really.
Okay, let's go.
I'll just drop here. When you're done, you call me.
I came out because of you, because of what we needed to talk.
I know you came out because of me, but I'll just go to my friend's shop. When you're done with her, you can call me. I'll meet you wherever you deem fit.
Ella, we're not certain. If you say so, it's fine. Dorothy, please come to the house.
Okay, let me come to the front. Thank you very much.
Sorry.
Hope I didn't interrupt anything.
It's okay. bet you are calling another one.
Where did you see my sister?
On our way to the house, of course.
Dorothy, how are you?
I'm fine. Good morning.
Morning. Well, I later spoke to Ekene.
Yeah, he told me about it.
Look, I hate to interrupt. I know you people have a lot of things to talk about. Come get the files. You'll talk later.
Don't worry, we'll talk later, okay? My brother.
You know, there is no need wasting your time. I thought we could work things out, but it is obvious we can't. Alright? Look, we can be friends. We can be friends. If you ever need me for you ever need me to assist you in any way, I'll be willing to do so.
Please. Please don't do this to me, I beg you. Please. Look, I am not the Ella you used to know. I am changed now, and I promise you. See, I promise I will never do anything to hurt you again. Even if you need me to take an oath, I will. I promise you, please.
You don't understand. There is no need for all of that. Right? Like I said, we would still be friends. We will be talking.
Ife.
Yes.
Did Aaron tell you anything about me?
No. Something like what?
I don't know. I'm just curious.
Look, the only thing Aaron said was that I should forgive you. Alright? And let everything that happened between us go. That is what he said. I just want to put up with my girlfriend's little flaw. Okay? And see if she can change. I want to focus.
So, did she tell you anything?
Who?
Your girlfriend, Dorothy. And maybe she would have told you something to make you change your mind.
Ella, Dorothy is not my girlfriend. She's just a staff in my office.
She works in your office?
Yes. Why would she say something about you? She said something. But what if you barely know each other? You don't even know this person. You met her.
No, we've met before. We even had a fight.
Really?
I saw the day you dropped her off and then I confronted her.
So you are the person she told me about?
Oh God, I was right. She told you something. What did she tell you? See, I'm not a bad person. I am not. Okay, I promise I've changed. I promise you. If you want me to take an oath, I will.
Ella, it's okay. Ella. Let it be the way I have said it. Alright? You're my friend.
I don't do a game, please leave me alone. I was a fool, but never again. I don't do a game, please stay away. Don't wanna be your fool again. I don't do a game, please leave me alone. I was a fool, but never again. I don't do a game, please stay away.
Ella, must you tell him? Tell who? Don't pretend as if you don't know what I'm talking about.
If I knew, I wouldn't have responded with a question.
Listen, Ife is my ex. He was so caring and loving when we were dating. So the other day I saw him drop you. I was jealous because I still have feelings for him. But talking to him today, he said you're just a staff in his office and he doesn't have anything to do with you.
Of course, it is what it is. And he's a well-do man. And he wants to earn his respect by not going beyond limits.
That apart. You shouldn't have told him what happened to me.
I still don't understand what you're talking about, Ella.
You expect me to spill such a thing in this environment? Are you kidding me?
Ella, believe me, I did not tell Ife anything. And if I knew it was private, why would I even tell him? I know both of us have a misunderstanding, yes, of course. But trust me, I did not tell him anything. I did not. Trust me.
So who did, if you didn't tell him?
I don't know. It could be Edith, my friend that referred you to me. I don't.
I think I know who is behind this.
Like seriously, babe. You mean he came here?
Yeah, he did. Probably because I had been avoiding his calls.
If Aaron actually came here because you stopped taking his calls, that's to say he's beginning to love you.
Are you sure?
I wouldn't say I am sure. I am just trying to conclude based on what you told me. So I would suggest you follow your heart.
Heart? Trust me when I say our hearts can be quite deceptive.
Yeah, I know. That is when you have many thoughts in a situation that requires answers.
What about the other guy I met recently?
The one you're playing around?
Yeah, that one. He's quite nice. He's fun to be with. But the problem is, he always calls me at the wrong time.
Well, I think you know what you want. You know who you truly love. So why not just go for the one you love in such a dicey state?
That is really difficult. That decision is not going to be easy.
Yeah, do not make a hasty decision. Take your time. I would suggest you take the two of them seriously, and anyone that loves you more wins your heart.
What is holding this guy? Why is this gate man not back? What is going on? I don't understand this. By this time? Oh. Now what for you? What is wrong with you? What held you for so long? Just to buy ordinary bread? Did you travel to Benin to get it?
Okay, I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry. The shop where we normally buy bread, those shops, they don't have exactly this one you want me to buy. So I had to go to the other shop very down, very far, sir, very far. Okay, if you see that place, hey, I waka tire, but thank God. If the rain can't start the fall, so I had to dodge. So that
give me the bread, please. You always have something to say. What's wrong with you? What's wrong?
Who be that?
Who's that?
Okay.
Ella, are you okay?
What did you tell Ife?
Bring down your voice. What if he's inside?
Oh, please don't give me that. We both know he just drove out.
Leave.
What did you tell Ife?
I didn't tell him anything. I mean, what did he tell you?
You've not answered my question. What did you tell Ife?
I'm asking. What did he tell you? I told him.
Is Ife aware you have STDs? Is he aware?
Yes, he's aware.
And you told him I gave you STDs?
I don't understand. Why would I say that to him?
If Ife is aware that you have STDs, it's either you or I that told him. So what are you trying to say? He met me the other day and said he's trying to reconsider us coming back together. But on a second thought, he just wants us to be friends. What's that supposed to mean?
Okay, the truth is that the last time you called, he was the one that answered your call. I'm sorry, I wasn't the one.
He was the one that did what? He was the one that answered which call? And I was busy ranting about STDs and the money you asked. What?
Take your voice down. You mean you spoke to him about the STD?
Yes, now! How was I supposed to know he was the one on the phone?
Ah, this guy, he told me he asked you to call back. That guy himself. It just be...
How am I supposed to face him now, even as a friend?
Yourself. Eh? You should have waited to confirm who is on the phone with you before you start spilling nonsense and rubbish.
If you weren't ignoring my calls, would I have called with a strange number? Eh? You got what you wanted, right? You got what you wanted. It's your fault now. You finally got what you wanted. Goat! Dog!
Did you hear me?
Here? No, my ear block. I don't hear anything, sir.
Get out.
Sir?
Get out!
But sir, the...
Are you mad?
Okay.
Hey! Guy, you don't try at all. Very, very serious right now. How can you do that? I'm really angry with you.
See, don't even make me mad. Don't get me angry. I'm supposed to be the one angry at you for sleeping with my girlfriend.
I don't understand. The last time I checked, she is no longer your fiancée. She's your ex. So please, stop calling her your girlfriend.
Really? All right, I accept. What about the first time you had it? What about the first time both of you had it?
That issue,
was she my ex?
That issue is dead and buried. We're talking about the one on ground.
The one on ground that I created, I committed a crime? You think it's proper to come to my house with my ex-girlfriend when both of you are not caught? Check it now, guys.
Check what exactly? Now this whole thing's going to look as if it's my making.
Yes, it's your making. You brought this on yourself. You caused this.
I caused what? The last time she called, you didn't tell me what she told you. You even lied to me that you told her to call you back.
Now I see. If this is the reason for this madness, Aaron, come and beat me.
You know I cannot beat you, but at least you should have told me you still have feelings for her. I will not be in this mess, right? You would have told me as your friend and brother. Nonsense.
Alright, since you're traveling, right? Let me drop you off in the market. Yes.
So this is it, right? Wow.
Wow. I don't know why some men cannot stick to one woman. But then again, it may not be what you are thinking. Maybe they are just friends.
What? Friends? Just friends? In your dreams. If they were just friends, why didn't he pick his call when I called him?
Did you call him back immediately or after some time?
Of course, I called him immediately they left my site. Yet he refused to pick my call.
You know what? When you guys meet, find out from him if he was carrying someone else's car at that particular location.
Babe, you don't know men. Just forget it. Because he will lie. In fact, he will swear with his mother, father, ancestor and everything. He will definitely lie. So let's just forget it.
I just feel that's the only way you will find out if he was with her.
Ayo. And Aaron. I still do not want to believe it. Okay. 1,000 ways to kill a rat, Sha.
Hi, hello, Hayo. How are you? I'm okay. I was wondering if you can come to the house tomorrow. Maybe spend a day or two. Oh, you traveled? Oh, that's so fortunate. You know, I'm going to be at home tomorrow all through, so that was why And again, you said I don't want to bring you over to my house. I just want to show you that it's nothing. I just have my reason. No problems. See you when you come back then. All right, be safe.
Where were you yesterday when I called you? I called you not once, not even twice. I think up to 6 times. Yet, you didn't take my calls.
But I returned your calls.
You only returned my calls at night when you had finished frolicking with your girl.
My girl? The girl you gave to me or what?
You think this is funny? Aaron,
what?
Where were you yesterday when I called you?
Oh, I was with Ayo.
Ayo?
Mm-hmm.
That's good. Who is Ayo?
Ayo is my friend's fiance.
Aaron.
What?
Aaron. You know what you're doing.
Sarah, I know I flirt around. But recently, I'm trying to be a good person, a nice person. I've given you the answers that you seek, and yet you won't believe me. See, you can choose to believe whatever you want to believe. I really don't care.
Really?
I can't believe that you called me and you sent me a text to come and see you. And the next thing you are accusing me wrongly. For what exactly?
Oh, I see what you're trying to do. Attack, the best form of defense, right? Now you want to turn this on me.
I am not trying to turn anything against you. I've told you the whole truth, and yeah, you're trying to accuse me wrongly. I don't like it. Don't do that next time, okay?
Aaron, if you leave, I promise I won't take your calls ever again. Fine. It's obvious this is a new style. A man does something wrong. He turns it on the woman and tries to attack. And that's their best form of defense. But you know what? I don't give a damn. Go to hell for all I care.
Yes, Johnson, are you done with the laundry? Okay, I'm on my way to your shop. Alright. Is that not that? No, this guy cannot toy with her feelings.
Hey. Do you remember me? You are the disgruntled element that embarrassed me in front of those girls the other day, right?
Yes. And you see, guys like you should be put in their place and be taught how not to toy around with ladies.
Mr. Man.
Yes.
Learn not to involve yourself in a matter that does not concern you. It's a piece of an advice.
Look, let's get it clear. You see that girl, Dorothy? She's a friend. And I do not want guys like you around her.
You're mad. You have totally lost your sanity. You need a serious medical attention. In fact, you have to visit a psychiatric home. You have lost it all.
You can say all you want to say, but stay away from her.
Mr. Man, I will not. In fact, my plan is to use and dump her. Now that you have known my mission, Oga, do your worst.
Really?
Yes.
What is going on here? Ikene? What is going on here?
This guy is a psycho. He has totally lost his sanity. You need urgent attention in a psychiatric home. How dare you? How?
Ikene, stop!
How dare you raise your filthy hands on me?
Stop
Have
it.
you lost your manners?
Stop it.
Get out of my sight.
Ikene, stop it. I'm sorry. Sorry.
Listen. Be careful of this guy.
Why?
You're wounded.
I'm sorry. It's my... Ikene, see what you've caused.
Shut up. Shut up.
Why will you do this? And why will you tell him that you want to use me and dump me? Why?
That was what I wanted. That needs to wait. That good for nothing husband had the guts to punch me on my face the day he saw me with Linda and Sarah. What gave him the guts?
Ekene, I know him very well. You will not just pass by and punch you on your face for no reason, okay?
Wait, there's something I want to understand. On whose side are you? Me or him?
I'm on a fair ground, and that is what it is.
Let me even ask you, who the hell is that guy to you? Because the last time I checked, you didn't introduce me to anybody. So who the hell is it to you?
Ekene, that guy is my boss!
Is what?
Yes, he's my boss, Ekene.
Your boss? You should have told me earlier before now. Let me give him triple punch on his face.
What are you saying? What is wrong with you, Ekene? If I'm out of here.
Come on, come and pick this water. Right now. Pick it!
I'm out of here. I can't take this. You're going to go and fight with my boss.
You're lucky today.
Boss!
Papa?
I wanted you to get something for me, but Sarah is not even picking my calls. I don't know if I don't know the word that girl came out from. Let me try her line.
Now what is supposed to try him again? You go. You go. Maybe na network.
She's not picking my calls. Someone is knocking. Who's that?
It is specific. Machi. Who be that? Oga, give person wey dey gate. You see name na Ekene. I don't know.
Open the gates.
Okay, I should open the gates. Okay.
Error.
Ekene Jinichuku.
Error.
Hey, come here. I'm good. How are you?
Very well.
My God, I sent you an address the last time. You refused to come.
My brother, something came up that day. No, this, no.
It's okay. It's all right.
Even woman observe something. Now your house be this.
Come, let's go inside.
Wait. Now you get this house.
Can we just go inside?
Error.
Lock the gates. You're welcome. Calm down. Calm down.
This guy punched me on my face yesterday.
What?
Yes. What are you doing here? My brother.
Oh,
you think I'm joking? What the hell are you doing in my house?
Please calm down. Lower your voice. We can settle this amicably, please.
My brother, you should have been calm and patient enough to ask me who Dorothy is to me.
Can you imagine?
Calm down. Let's settle it.
Now, let me tell you why I was not calm. The other day I saw you harassing ladies. This guy is a bad guy. I was only protecting my staff.
Listen, who no go understand what I dey go through. Just calm, take a chill pill.
Is this guy sane?
Hey, Efe, this is my cousin, Dorothy's immediate elder brother.
Are you surprised? Yes, I am Dorothy's elder brother. I am sorry if I overreacted the other day to you. Please, don't get mad at me.
I don't even know what to say. Really?
Yes.
Sarah, what's up? How far now? When did you return? It's been 2 hours now. So, how did it go? I didn't meet her. I didn't meet her at the shop. They said she had an urgent call and she had to travel urgently for something. But they gave me a number to reach out to her. Well, I said not to talk to her over the phone though. Did not reach her. I did, but she told me she'll be back in 3 days. So I just thought, why not wait for her to get back, then we'll talk about it. So I didn't tell her anything. Besides, I feel this is a conversation we should have one-on-one in person.
That's okay. But do you really believe he had something with her?
Honestly, I can't say. Because he wasn't caught in the act. So.
Then forget it.
Forget what?
I just feel you should ignore this whole thing. Just like my case. I would have ruined my relationship with Ekene if he didn't love me. Let it go.
Get the hell out of the road! Look at you! Hello? Guy, where you keep your phone? I'll be coming. Yes, now I wanted to tell you that I will be coming. I'm already on my way. Okay, see you soon. I hope you have something at home for me to eat. Are you serious? I can't wait to eat her food. See, look, she's always coming when I'm not around. You understand? But look, you see me now. I can't just wait. All right, man.
I'm here now.
Yes. Look, I want us to talk.
All right? I want us to talk too.
Okay. You go first.
Efe, you're my friend. I I know I have done abominable things to you. I've offended you in the past. And I simply don't want you to get back at me just because I slept with Ella and the Calabar girl you brought to this house. Maybe that's why you refused giving me the 2 million for the business. I'm really sorry. Please, forgive me. CFA, you're my friend. Our friendship is so separable. We've known each other way back. Just imagine an Igbo guy like me and you, Wari Pikin, coming together to form a strong bond of friendship. To the extent that people outside think we are blood related. Isn't that something for you to think twice before doing anything crazy? We're friends, like I said. Please, find it to your heart to forgive me. I am truly sorry. And secondly, I met Ella. And she wants to reconnect with you. She's afraid meeting you and pleaded that I help her to talk to you.
Ella, though I met her at the beauty 3 days ago, before I saw her here the other day.
Oh.
I have forgiven her actually. Yes. But we cannot be together again.
I understand. I know I even told her that you have a new girlfriend now. That friendship cannot work again. The girl you love so much. But bro, come on. Just connect with her as friends. Pick her calls. Relate to her as friends. Nothing more. And as for the money I requested for, whenever you wish to give it to me, there's no problem. Anytime.
Aaron, look, you're my brother, like you said. You have come a long way. I want you to know that I am not upset with you. Right? After all, you made me realize that these girls are not wife material. They're gold diggers. As for Ella, I'll maintain friendship with her.
Okay.
Yes. And if I discover that she has an ulterior motive, I'll cut her off completely.
Fair enough.
I know. Now, this is the reason I called you. You remember the meeting I told you about?
Yes.
It was successful.
Oh, wow. That's nice.
Yeah, I signed the contracts as the only distributor in Nigeria to one of those new phone companies in China.
Are you serious? Wow. Congratulations.
It's as big as that, you know.
Congrats.
Thank you.
I'm so happy for you.
And now I want you to choose between that 2 million naira and managing this new business.
Are you kidding me?
Yes, I'll give you time to think about it.
No. You don't have to give me any time. I'm giving you a reply right now.
Okay.
Leave the 2 million. Just cue me into the business. The phone business.
Igbo man. You made the right choice, you know.
I think this calls for celebration. So let's do a low-key celebration. I'll just rush inside now, get a champagne so we can have
Look, I have a lot to do, and tomorrow a lot on my table too.
See, I have a lot to do tomorrow. I'll be going out with Sarah. Okay? But let's just drink minimal.
No.
We won't get high now.
It's a no. No. You're going out on a date.
Okay. Thanks for forgiving me. I'm really sorry. I mean, got us back. Thank you.
My man.
now. The music is too loud.
I beg, this?
Babe, what's up?
What did they happen?
Babe! The music is too loud.
So?
You know where they hear them? It's like
Guess what? Just guess what? In fact, you know what?
Please
Please celebrate with me. Just drink it. Yes. Tell me congratulations. Tell me congratulations.
Congratulations.
What
happened?
Babe, guess what? What? Yes. Aaron called me. He told me that I'm going to be the general secretary of a big phone company in Nigeria, and he will be in charge of it. Like seriously? Seriously.
Oh my goodness, babe, I'm happy. Wait. How did this happen?
I just told you. You know what? The phone company is coming from China or something. I don't care, but yours truly is the general secretary. That's what counts.
This calls for
celebration. Yes.
Maybe you should try his second line or something. I believe you get through him.
I don't even have another number belonging to him. It's just this one. I'm trying to send him SMS. Whenever the phone comes up, you'll see it.
It's getting late.
I've been trying your number now. How are you? I've been calling you now. What happened to your line? I hope the car is in the car. Good. Use this for your transport, eh?
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
I think the car is okay.
Everything is okay.
Perfect.
Aaron, I want you to keep this car. From now onward, it belongs to you.
I don't understand. Are you joking?
This car is yours now.
This car is mine.
It's yours.
No. Stop joking now. Stop.
I look like I'm joking.
My goodness.
This car belongs to you now.
I'm a car owner.
You're a car owner.
Oh my goodness. What? Open the gate. Open it. I want to push. Open it.
Open it. Hold on. Wait. See what excitement is making you do. Say how to open it.
My darling, that's it all. I have to cancel one appointment for the most important one.
But this isn't right. What if you end up losing both of them?
Lose? I don't lose. But in this case, I'll lose one, just one. And that will be Titanic.
What? Is that someone's name?
The other guy's name is Titanic, while the other one is Aaron, my boyfriend.
I've never heard such a name before.
Well,
did you give it to him?
Well, now you have it. You can as well add it to your dictionary. You learned a new thing from me today.
That's all I can say.
Aww, your concern is striking. I didn't know you cared about me this much.
Okay, so who cares about you?
You, of course, obviously.
On a serious note, I am saying this from a place of concern. Because I was once there. I once dated this guy. He was caring, loving. We had a smooth relationship. It was going so well until I got distracted by his best friend who, showed more concern. And then I had fun dating the two of them until the said guy caught me with his best friend, Aaron. Oh, it's not funny.
That's really sad.
Yeah.
short, my Aaron is such a nice guy. I mean, he's good looking, sexy, really nice. Of late, he did something that really angered me and almost made me lose my trust in him. But then again, he apologized to me. And I saw how genuine he was. And I forgave him.
Did he truly repent?
But wait, let me ask you this. Your guy, when he caught you with his friend, did he break your head?
I know you're going to miss me, yeah? Okay, don't miss me too much, okay? and one last thing. Make sure you call me before you leave. Come here.
Have a blessed day at work.
You too.
Hey.
What's for?
Okay, he's gone.
And so?
Let's have a quick one.
Hey, stop this, Ella, please. See, we need to put an end to this, right? I'm even regretting falling for you.
I don't regret a thing. I mean, how can I see such handsomeness and look away? Hmm?
See, listen. Can you not... Don't you... Leave me alone. Don't touch me, alright? Ife is my friend. Not just my friend. My best friend, alright? And if he finds out we are having a thing, I'm very sure you know the result already. It's not going to be funny, right? This is the same thing Eno did. I want her. I told you about Eno, right? She made the same mistake. And at the end of the day, it cost her her relationship with Efe. Please, I beg you. I wouldn't want to be the reason why you're losing Efe. I wouldn't want to be blamed when it happens. So please, leave me alone.
Hey, Ife is never going to find out. Ife is too work conscious. Can you imagine? We slept the whole night and he did not touch me. I mean, who would have all of this lying beside him on his bed without him wanting to devour me? Imagine that. He was just on the phone with his business associates, pressing his phone and all those work stuff. Please, I want.
Can you talk without touching me, please? If you have to talk with his customers, I mean his clients, alright? That is where he is at the position that he is today. He's working so hard. So please, excuse me.
Hey! You think you're going?
No.
Are you acting as if this is the first time?
Can you... Oh, shh. No. Stop. Oh, stop now. Stop. Hey. Stop.
Relax, why are you acting like a virgin?
Hey.
What you say?
Oh my God. Shit.
can the part 2 continue now that I'm here? I want to watch.
Can you imagine your friend? He was trying to rape me. He was trying to rape
heard
me.
everything. I was standing by the door. I heard all the conversations. Oh, you thought I had left? I stopped at the gate. I came back because I forgot my laptop, and that was the reason I was calling your line. You were not picking. Obviously, I can see why you were not picking your phone. Huh?
Wait. You said I wanted to rape your butt. I don't understand. You see what I've been telling you since? I've been telling you how.
Can you even shut up your mouth? Shut up your mouth, Aaron. I am disappointed in you.
Efe, please. I am so sorry for what happened. I can't even look at you, at your face. Please, I regret every of my actions. Everything I've done to you, please, I'm sorry.
Please, I am sorry. I beg you. I don't know what came over me. I'm not like that. Please, I'm sorry. Forgive me, I beg you.
Listen, I don't want to return from my trip and meet you in this house. Get your things and leave. Aaron, you will hear from me.
What do I do now? Please stop.
Are you mad? Look at you. I tried raping you are you serious right now? Is that your best defense?
Please help me talk to him. I beg you, help me talk to him, please.
Go punish you. Nonsense. This is what it cost.
That was it though. And this guy has refused to take my calls till date.
Oh, that's really sad. Don't worry. I would probably go with you to his place, at least to intercede on your behalf.
There's no need for that. He has a new girlfriend now. He has moved on.
Oh. Well, but babe, wait. Let's even treat this matter squarely. You messed up big time. Yes, babe, you fuck up. You didn't do this thing well now. You won't play this kind of game. You don't know how to dilly-dally your way. You need to learn these things. You messed up big time. You should have played it according to book.
Sarah.
At least you won't lose
Sarah,
out
that's
at this
enough.
point.
That's enough. I didn't explain myself so you judge me. Don't even make me remember the past. I've moved on with my life. I'm just hoping to meet someone better.
No one is judging you. But as a friend, I should be able to tell you the truth when it's necessary.
I don't want.
Then you should have told me. I thought if you didn't want to hear the truth. I will always say the truth. You messed up. But then again, since you said you've moved on, that's cool. I mean, I hope you meet a better guy than your ex.
Amen.
Aaron will be waiting for me and I have to go like right now. Okay?
I'll come with you.
So, I want you to hear the saying, three is a crowd. So you want to come in between two lovers? Babe, now what for you?
Babe,
this is
no.
2020.
Stop.
Stop, Guinea.
Okay, if you don't want me to come, it's fine. I'll stay. But it's not like I wanted to come share a seat with you guys. I just want to step out.
Now you're beginning to guilt trip me. You know what? You can come with us, fine. But after the introductions, make sure you just cram. I mean, sit at the far end corner.
Please.
Do you understand me?
Let's go.
My phone is vibrating. Who is this one? My Titanic.
Oh, okay. Pick up there.
Hey, baby. My Titanic. My love. I'm so sorry. I'll not be able to make it. I'm fine. I forgot to tell you. After we spoke earlier, I got an urgent call. Yes, I was told my brother was hospitalized. As I speak with you, I need 1.5 million naira for his operation. I don't even know what to do. It's been crazy. Like, I've been running up and down. I'm frustrated. I'm just confused. I don't know where to even start from.
I don't know, my heart breaks. I couldn't even recognize my brother. I don't know, I just...
What? I should send you my account number?
Titanic, my sweet love. My darling love, Titanic. If you actually do this for me, I promise you, I'll forever be grateful to you all my life. Yes. I'll send you the account number right away. Thank you. Thank you.
Babe! My Titanic is sending me a whopping 1.5 million naira.
I heard that, babe. I heard it.
Yes!
Why did you have to lie that your brother is ill? Are you wishing any of your brothers that?
The last time I checked, my parents gave birth to 3 children and they're all girls. Chop chop, time is going. Aaron will be waiting for me. Let's go. Why I send my account number to my Titanic. To my Titanic. Go, 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 go. Yes, I am sending it.
All these girls, them don't wise. Them they act like they don't hide. Who is real and who is fake? And who's to be trusted? When they say I love you, maybe they mean something else. So where is the woman who will be so real to the core? I don't search it tire, but I go still search it they go. Maybe just one day I will find a genuine.
Hi, babe.
Wait. Turn around. Oh my God. You are looking so beautiful and sexy.
Thank you.
What about your friend? You told me you're coming with her.
Well, on our way, yeah, she got a very urgent call. They asked us to supply some wigs to one salon like that, so she had to go.
Okay. Now you're here.
Yes.
I'm done. So let's go.
Okay. Let's go. Oh, sorry, I need to. Oh my God, this is not happening.
What is it?
I just received the sum of 1.5 million naira from Titanic. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Yes.
Sarah, you need to refund this money.
Why?
Because we don't need it.
What do you mean we don't need it? Yes, I know I deceived him to take the money, for my brother's operation. But then again, of course, we need the money for at least for us to start up something. What are you saying?
I said we don't need the money and you need to refund it as soon as possible.
Why? I won't refund it. Why would I? Why are you talking like this? I mean, you used to support me in stuffs like this. Why this sudden change?
That was then, okay? You need to refund this money as soon as possible, right? And make your stand clear to him that you are in love with me now and not him.
Of course, darling. I'll break up with him, but no, I will not refund this money.
If it happens, don't call me.
Don't worry. I wouldn't even tell you anything. Sorry, he keeps calling. Let me just take his call. Hello, Titanic. Thank you so much for the money. You are a lifesaver. As I speak with you, I'm just going to deposit the money, so that they can commence my brother's operation.
That is good. So when are you coming back from Benin?
What's going on? Titanic's voice seemed to be echoing from here.
Titanic's voice echoing from here? Come on, there's no Titanic anywhere. The only person living here is my friend, Efe. Yes. My friend. Worry Pekin.
What? Why did you tell me that? Worry Pekin is the same person as Efe. Your friend,
What's going on here? You guys know each other?
Of course. I'm the same Titanic that she's been telling you about. The one that just sent her 1.5 million naira for her fake brother's operation. To think that I just finished sending that money now from the kitchen, which of course I'm going to get back right now. Ayo or Sarah, what should I even call you?
This is your Benin. My house is your Benin. You know, the first time I met Sarah was the day I came back from Wari. She was standing in front of the duplex close to our compound. She told me a friend dropped her off, a female friend, after an argument, and that she has called a capped man. I volunteered to assist her that day.
Hey, beautiful. I am Efi from Dera State. Consider yourself in a safe hands.
Oh, that's okay.
What's your name?
Ayo.
Ayo. That's a beautiful name for a beautiful damsel. That means my joy has come. Like Ayomide, right?
Yes, that's correct. Tell me, are you Yoruba? Because it's like you understand the language.
No, not really. I'm not a Yoruba man. I just have few business associates from Yoruba land. I learned one or two from them, you know.
That's interesting. Man, you're quite nice and humble.
Thank you. Thank you. And you too, you have a beautiful smile.
Oh, please. Come on. You're just trying to flatter me now.
No, I'm not kidding. Yeah.
Thank you.
Do you have a man? Do you have a guy?
Well, no for now.
Wow. Why would a beautiful damsel like you be single?
Come on, do not get me wrong. I mean, I have guys coming around me. It's just that I'm trying to be careful, you know, so I do not fall into the wrong ends.
I like that. I like that. I like that. Thank God you've been careful. Otherwise, I would not have seen you today.
Very funny. That's okay. Nice to meet you though. Tell me, do you have a girlfriend?
If I say, you will not believe.
Try me.
No, I don't have. We broke up a few months ago.
Whoa. What happened?
Let's say that is a story for another day. Let me take you wherever you're going. Please. Come here. Come.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Yes.
You know, I dropped her at the mall, the orderly shopping mall, where you saw that girl, that Ayo. You know, I was with her inside the car. Before she came down, I talked to her. I told her how I felt about her. She didn't even argue. She accepted. We exchanged contact. Then she came down and then I zoomed off.
Wow.
You know, and now I know maybe that day that I met her, she just came from our compound.
Yes, I remember that fateful day. I didn't see her off to the gate. Yes. But I know for sure that someone is in love with her, according to what she told me. And she told me she loved to address the guy as Titanic. She didn't mention your name. I didn't know you're the one in question. I didn't know your name is Titanic, because I know you as Efe. See, I've always told her the truth to open up to you. Tell you the truth, I told her to refund your money and also clear her stand, her position in your life, that she's in love with me and not you.
Aaron, I heard everything. You don't have to justify yourself or explain things. I heard everything, okay?
But I thought this Ayo of a girl is the girl you bought those goods for.
Of course not. I bought those items for her. That Ayo
is a sales girl to the woman who owns the shop where a small space was given to Sarah to use. Yes. Sarah told the girl to accept the items on her behalf. Yes, though her name is Ayo also. She just helps Sarah whenever she's not around.
Honestly, I'm short of words. I don't know what to say.
Sarah, I want you to do me just this favor. I want you to send me back my money to this account I am sending to you now. I just sent it.
I've gotten it. But I'm sorry for everything. I like to plead with you, so I can send back 500,000 and use the remaining one to start up a business.
Can you shut up? What kind of a person are you? You want to keep 1 million? 1 million you did not work for. Aaron, did you hear that?
That's fine. I just returned the money to you. Thank you.
Beautiful. Good. Can you quietly leave my house?
Wow, this is unbelievable. You mean your guy Aaron and the other guy you met a few weeks ago are friends and they live in the same apartment?
I swear. See, I know Aaron has told me a lot of things about his friend. That his friend is a very busy person. That, he travels a lot. And he doesn't joke with his job. The truth is, there's not even a single frame of his in that house for me to even know that, he's the same person that Aaron has been talking about.
Where did you two normally meet?
Apart from the first time we met close to his apartment, the second time it was just an outing. And when I told him to take me to his apartment, he insisted later. I guess he was just trying to understand me. Yeah, I am sure. There are times he calls for us to meet up. The problem is it usually falls on the same time I have an appointment with Aaron. You remember that day we had a little issue with Ekene, your guy now, and the guy came to save us?
Yeah, the guy that pushed him.
Yes, that was Effie. I lied I was out of town.
Yes, hello.
Babe. Yeah, I'm good. Do you want us to see? Oh, it's quite unfortunate I cannot make it.
Why? Are you busy?
No, I can't see you right now. The thing is, I am not in town. I traveled to my village.
Babe, we were together yesterday. You didn't tell me we were traveling.
Yes, after I left you yesterday, my mom called me to tell me that my presence is needed at a family meeting. As I speak with you, I'm in my village right now because I left immediately. I left to the village immediately I saw you.
It's alright. I'll see you when you come back.
Oh, baby, that's so nice of you. Thank you for your understanding. You're a wonderful person. And I love you. My baby, my love. I love you so much. Bye-bye, my love.
Bye.
I guess that's the reason after he hit Ekene, he left angrily without talking to me.
Now the picture is clear. His real name is Efe after all.
Yeah, I only just saved his contact with Titanic.
See as things just they cast now.
But it's not my fault if you really look at it critically. If at least he had even put his frame in that house, there's no way I wouldn't have known. At least it would dawn on me that the same worry picking that Aaron has been talking about is a fake.
Sarah, I would suggest you give him time. Then you go apologize to him.
Apologize to who?
The FA guy now.
No. Besides, I don't even love him. If I was asked to choose, once again, I would still choose Aaron.
Why Aaron?
Because Aaron cares. He's kind-hearted, he has time, he knows how to treat a lady. Unlike his friend who is always busy chasing after money. I mean, the few times we've actually met, I didn't feel anything. There was no connection. None at all.
So you fell for the FA guy because of his money?
I won't lie, yes, I did. But the truth is, even the money he gave to me, I wanted it to give it to Aaron to add up to what he had already saved to start up his business.
I can see you really love Aaron.
Yes, I do. But I lost him.
Come in.
Aaron, I have thought about everything. All the drama that happened today. The many times we were always talking about Sarah. And I was talking about Ayo, not knowing that it's the same person. It's crazy. I have come to realize that Sarah loves you more. And I know you love her too. We didn't really have something deep. She can attest to it. Today she was so confused, not knowing what to do. I want to tell you this as a brother. I think Sarah will make a perfect match for you. Just think about it.
Wait. I think you need a woman in your life more than I do. I mean, you are such a busy man. Because of your tight schedule, walking up and down, you actually need a woman. And if I may suggest, I'd rather go for my cousin, because she's the only one I see that can fit into that shoe.
Good night, brother.
Good night.
Good morning, sir.
That was a good morning. How are you?
Super good, sir.
I hope your trip was not stressful.
Yes, at least I was able to achieve what I traveled for.
Okay. Welcome.
Thank you. Where is he?
Where is who?
Aaron, my brother. He called it this morning that I should come to the house, that he would like us to discuss something very important. So I was curious. That is why I had to come.
Dorothy, I'm actually the one who wanted to see you. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
There is this contract from KOK Company.
Okay.
Yes, I want you to look at that file for me. It's important, okay? Yes.
What is this?
Dorothy, look, of all the ladies I have met and observed, there is no one who understands me as much as you do. You are caring. You are lovable. You are kind. Dorothy, you are hardworking. I have come to realize that there is no other woman I need in my life now apart from you. And that is why I called you. Marry me, Dorothy.
What are you doing, Ife?
Dorothy, believe what I am doing.
Please, Ife. Just take your time and think about this over and over again because...
Look, I have thought about this a countless times. I want you to spend the rest of your life with me. Be my wife, please. Please.
Ife.
Yes.
I know that I don't deserve you or deserve this. One thing I'm going to let you know for sure is that I am going to make you proud as your woman.
So, this is a yes?
Yes.
Wow! Come here. You're so fine. Come here. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Can you just allow me be? Please. I'm not in the mood.
I'm the one.
Vero.
Yeah.
What? Sit.
I'm not here for that, please.
Then why are you here?
See. I'm sorry for what transpired in my house the last time you came. I'm really sorry. I know you have genuine intentions for me. Genuine love. I see your sacrifice to make me a better person. To put food on my table. Give me something to start business with. There's only someone that loves you dearly that can go that far. I'm truly sorry for every of the inconveniences caused. See, don't allow what happened to ruin the friendship we've built over the years. Please, I beg you. Forgive us. Forgive him. Forgive me. I'm truly sorry.
Fine. Truth is, I knew you would come. I mean, I had a feeling last night.
Are you serious? You must be a witch. Oh.
A good witch.
Come here. Oh.
All these girls, them don't wise. Them they act like they don't hide. Who is real and who is fake? And who's to be trusted? When they say I love you, maybe they mean something else. So where is the woman who will be so real to the core? I don't search it tire, but I go still search it. They go